Okay, so I just wanted to see if a lesser known Amazon vacuum, the brand SMOTURE, could compare to my Hoover ONEPWR Hush Tone or Merge vacuum is what this is. Now both of them, they're very, very similar. They're both your handheld stick vacuum. They work with battery packs. They both rechargeable. This one looks more like the Dyson, like it looks like it's inspired by Dyson with the style of it. It does appear, I would say that the SMOTURE vacuum probably has a larger dustbin. Both of them work similarly where you can release just from the bottom bin here. You can release over the garbage. Filter on this one, it looks like it's a little bit bigger. So the charging, now both of them are fully charged. They both, I would say that the charging pack of the vacuum is similar. I think the Hoover is easier to just quickly switch out if you needed to, if you had a second battery. So for that, probably the same. I'm just gonna compare now sound of the vacuums. So I'll turn this one on. So, and this one you can, that's the first, that's full, what that one sounds like. Now let's see the Hoover, if I remember how to even turn this one on. Oh, there it is. So we can go, and this one's a little different, you just press, that's all the way. So I'm gonna say the Hoover's a little louder, but in it being a little louder, I'm going to assume that it may do a better pickup when it's on its top speed, but I don't know that for sure. This one has a better display, I'm gonna say, than the Hoover, because the Hoover is just your traditional on-off and your plus minus, whereas the SMOTURE, when you turn it on, it lights up here. You can see the LED lights that go around. You can see the fan speed there. And it will turn red as you go higher around. And then you see the purple when it's on your lower. You can also see the battery charge there, which is really handy. So you can see how when your battery is getting low, this one, it does not show. Let me see here actually. It's not showing. There we go. So here you have to press the button to see how much battery you have. I'm just gonna turn it off. So it's good too. It also shows the battery level here, but you have to press the button in order to see where the battery's at. This one just automatically does it. So display wise, this has a nicer display. In terms of weight, they're roughly the same weight. I would say they weigh probably, actually this one might be a little, the SMOTURE might be a little lighter. I'd say this one's probably about 8 pounds. This one may be about 5 to 6 pounds. They both come with attachments, a little hose that you can hook right into it. So in terms of that, they're very similar. The only other, so as you can see with the Hoover, it's got a little bit of a smaller head here. But what I love about the SMOTURE is it turns, as you can see. So if you were getting into a tight space behind a corner, that head actually turns around a corner. Whereas this one really doesn't. It turns a little bit, but not to the same extent. This one almost does a full turn. So that would be my preference on that. Otherwise, I'm thinking they're very similar. So let's put them to the test and see how they will clean up some oatmeal that has been spilt on here. I'm gonna start with the lowest setting on both, and we'll see what happens. So this one is the lowest setting. And it basically gets it all off the carpet. So I'm gonna say that's pretty good. For that, on the lowest setting, you don't even need to go to the highest setting. Now I'm gonna do the same for this one. Lowest setting, let's see how the Hoover. Look at that. They both on the lowest setting get up all of the oatmeal. Now, in terms of overall feel, I'm actually surprised about this SMOTURE. These are basically similar price points. So the Hoover is very well known. So for that, it's probably, the way that it connects is when you can pull this battery right off and slide it in on the charger. So that's how that one charges up. This one does not, the battery doesn't release. It has a little where you connect the cord to and plug it in, but it comes with a mounting for the wall. So you can put it on the wall, but then you have to have it close to a outlet in order to charge that up. So in terms of that, this one would be my preference for how easy it is. You just slip the battery off and you can slide it into where it's mounted and charge it up like that, and then slip it back on. So this can be stored really anywhere. As far as display and overall use, I really like this one, the maneuverability. Both of them have little headlights on the head. So it's really your preference. But I am really actually surprised that this Amazon one, I did not expect it to be able to compete with this Hoover, but clearly it does. The sound, it's a little quieter, I think, in terms of when it's on its full speed to the full speed of this one. So I'm gonna say I would always lean towards the Hoover because of the reputation. I know that it's gonna last. I know that all of those things. However, if you are looking for a really good option out there and you are shopping on Amazon, this one, if it's on sale, is great. But this one, just with the regular price point, it's a really great option with the attachments, all the things it does. I'm actually really surprised about this one. So really, it's a toss-up. I don't know. This one, I think what would lead me towards this one over the Hoover is the fact that the head, like look at how easy that is to maneuver around, so you can go around corners and everything else like that. This one does not do that. So for that purpose, because I have been, when I am cleaning and I have lots of areas that I need to maneuver around, this one would be my preference on that. So there you have it. The Amazon one, head to head with the Hoover, it stacks up.